Morning. So today Dad has been busy. He's currently putting some sheets up on the side of the barn. So let's just take you through what he's been doing. So he's got some, well, these threaded bolts. Yeah. So he's got some threaded bolts and you've threaded bar and you've bent them round, is that right? So he's got them bent round. What he's done is he's attached a piece of wood along the bottom there and attached a piece of wood along the middle. He's also creosoted it to protect the wood stain in it, like so. So he's measured along, he's used the spirit level, he's used a tape measure, and what he's trying to do at the minute is fix the sheet to the bottom of the wood. So it's already been fixed to the middle. Along here, what he's also, the way he's been getting the sheets up there, he's been getting them just under that sheeting for the roof, gets them under there, and then he lines them up using bricks to hold them in place while he's been getting them into the wood. So currently he's got 2 on at the minute. Plan is to put, how many more do you reckon you need? 16 sheets to go all the way across. So he reckons 16 sheets in total to go all the way across. And then hopefully that will protect the barn a bit more from the elements.
Bits on the end, so it's just real full.
There we go. So see that guttering along there? That was also hanging across here, all falling off. So Dad went up there, pulled the guttering down. There's a wooden beam there, and he's treated that as well, so you can probably just about tell. We'll have to get you guys closer to see that. Go up the ladder. Oh, let's have a little closer look. See how far up we can get the GoPro in my hands. Yoink, and then let's twist you guys like that. There we go. So there's just a better view there of what he's done. So Dad's now got 4 sheets on, and what he's doing is, sorry, excuse the wind, just try and get further in. So he's putting the beams across, attaching them onto the metal railings there. Let's actually go in. Let's go on the inside. Can't bother to climb over. So there you go. That should protect us from the wind a little bit. So he's made his threaded bolts by bending them round, and he's fixing them to the fresh wood that he's putting in. So because it's so windy, I'm just going to talk in the building quickly. So currently Dad's got 5 sheets on. He's got the 4 bits of wood going across that he's treated with the creosote as well. So what I'll do now is I'll take you outside and show you what he's doing next. He's going to be pulling off the rest of the guttering that I explained. Let's show you that now. I might not be able to talk out of it because of the wind. It'll probably distort the voice. So along there. That's the guttering. Then that is safe. There. So there's overhanging gutter in there that's right away for years. So he's going to come and rip some of that off. Right, so now there is 6 sheets on the side of the barn. Dad expects to use another 5, so he'll use 11 in total. He was expecting to use a lot more than that, so it's been a bit of a bonus for him. I think he planned for about 15, 16, so yeah, that means he's got some that he can use on the other side. Right, so there is the finished article. The side is finished and completed. It looks really good. It's so much better. Keeps the wind out of this side. Makes the barn look a lot better. So you're gonna have to excuse the time jump. I lost the clip of it finished, so I'll having to record it. So here's how it looks on the inside now. What I'm going to do in a second is I'll take you through the plan of how we're going to finish off this building. Chickens are out having a bit of a free range with me. We've got Coco here. She's having some fun. There's a few others there. So yeah, excuse the time jump. This features as well and a few other things. So the plan was to sheet down this side and leave the north facing open, but instead we've got a different idea now because of the amount of wind that's coming down there, and we're probably going to have to store some hay in this building. So we're going to sheet down the front, open up this side here, so take off the sheets here, and eventually what we might do as well is build a lean-to onto the side of it. So we have got the sheets for this. That will be getting done over the next couple of weeks. So yeah, we've got some exciting stuff going on as well, actually. So obviously I've mentioned the balers here. I haven't fully shown everyone that the balers here yet. So it's a New Holland 68. We are doing a video on it. We've Dad's already put new tines in, 24 I think in total. Oh, also behind me up there, the hatch had fallen down. We actually found that on the sheet behind. We used a piece of rope, dragged it up, and then climbed up a ladder and fixed it on nicely, so that's all fixed on as well. And also we've got some other kind of news as well, which I don't know whether to tell you guys or not. I think I'm gonna have to keep it hidden, but we've got some new toys coming, so I'm just gonna let you guys know we've got new toys coming. There's 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna say 3. No, because then there's them 3. 6 new things coming. So I'm pretty excited to show you them when they come. Yeah, right, so I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, seeing how we've finished that side of the barn. I will show you guys this side when it's all done and completed. Obviously, just to show you how much of a time jump we are compared to that video, we didn't even have any of this done. None of this was ploughed, cultivated, harrowed, allotment, blah 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 blah. Building, I think, didn't even have the chicken run. So yeah, right, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Please give us a comment down below, give us a like, let us know what we can do differently. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care.